Hi guys! Today we are learning how to recover permanently deleted uploads on SoundCloud. After unlocking your phone, open the SoundCloud app. Make sure you are logged into your correct account where your uploads were previously available. This step is important because recovery options depend on your account access. Next, tap on the library option at the bottom right side of the screen. This is where all your uploaded tracks, playlist, and saved content are stored. Here, you can check your previous uploads list. Now go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. This will open all account and app-related options. From here, you can access support and help tools. After that, scroll and tap on Contact Support or Help Center. This is where SoundCloud allows users to report issues and request recovery assistance. You can search for your problem or submit a request. This is the main step for recovering permanently deleted uploads. Next, tap on Submit a Request option. Now explain your issue clearly, including details about your deleted uploads. Mention your account information and what exactly you want to recover. After submitting, wait for SoundCloud Support to respond. If live chat is available, tap the message icon or live chat option. Select your account and describe your issue again. Support may guide you or check if recovery is possible. Follow their instructions carefully for better results. And that's how you can try to recover permanently deleted uploads on SoundCloud step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.